na ano is yogurt. Yogurt. Real. And fruits. Kaya puro fiber na and ano.
So nice. This is the Poochie's fit.
It's our third day.
Day 3.
Ayan o.
Bye!
Let's look ka, lakad ka doon.
Yung isa pa yung nandun sa loob yan. Sarap. Bayan ang ano ako.
Sorry niyo.
Sa ulo. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ano? Saan? Mahirap lang ako. Ay! Tapon.
Something. Here. Uy, galing ako sa loob.
Video natin sila dito. With the China flag.
Dami mong dala.
What do you call those lights? With a black strip?
Chocolates.
No.
Strip lights.
No.
What?
Magnetic lights.
Magnetic lights.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're here. This is our hotel room for our third night. Wow. Wow. Aray ko. Parang Japanese style. This is the view with the little nook. Cute. And hello.
Hi. Hi guys. Ay, ganda picture ko siya.
Coffee shop yan?
I think so.
I don't think so. Is that a coffee
It's
shop?
really inside.
Ah, dito tayo pupunta.
Ito yun?
Oh, we're here.
What the? Nakita niya sa hotel natin. Yan yun eh, nakita natin.
Ay, we. Ay, oo nga.
Di ba?
Punta na kami sa ano, Kung Fu show. It's raining though. So here we are. What is this, a hotel? What is this, Wensha? Wensha Spa?
Okay, see? That's the room number. And on the chair, that's the seat number.
Okay, thank you.
In front, number 4 row. Number 4 row, in front, number 4. Here's number 12, 20, 21, and 12.
Okay, thank you, Molly.
Heineken na yun. Heineken. Ako parang gusto kong mag-soft drinks. Or coffee. In coffee? Beer? Ayan, may mga beer yan. So, wow, what's that?
Beach brandy. Go na.
Yeah. Ganda nung last. Uy, put wait lang eh, na sinasabi ko.
This video kasi.
Hi. Look, there's a robot cleaning.
Wala din milk dito.
Meron po still may coffee. Imbis na ganahan na kumuha ng pagkain.
Itatamarin ka na.
Wala nga ito. Ganun eh. Diba? Anong tawag siya? Kaya hindi yan yung tarong yung street light. Ay, ang galing mo.
What's that? Let's look at this. Siguro wish nila yun. Are those wishes or something? May nawala na. Pucho ako makamukha.
Sarap yung
Ayan yung masarap na sili. Good, kuha ka na ng isda. Yung tofu masarap para sa'yo. Kawa ka na ba? Ang cute eh. This is the last day hotel. I'm so tired, guys. Yan na ang sink and bathtub and water closet. Uy, ba't dalawa yung TV? Ay, charot. Mirror pala. And the couch and yan, nawawala ang wallet niya.
What the fuck?
Tingnan natin sa bus, nandun lang yun.
Hello, cheer.
Sus.
Cheer, guys. What did you order? Yeah, this is what you ordered, guys. This one.
Ay, parang mas masarap ito to.
Huwag na yan. Here, oh.
Hindi ko masabi kasi. There's no English sub. Okay ba, guys?
Yeah, okay ba, guys? Smile if you're happy.
Okay, first of all, from here to the next place, around 45 minutes driving. That is a traditional Chinese herb store. This kind of image over here, and during
brown sugar oatmeal coffee. Yun ako.
Which is the best seller? This, or this? Which one?
Ito ako.
but this is all special.
This one is special. Okay, this one. Paano si Ate Pag na kaya sa akin? Saging ba yun? Tignan mo yung naka-plastic. Ayun. Ayun. Sabi ko sa'yo, saging eh. Tapos pinicture ka na kinakausap ko yung ano. So, idagdag mo sa story.
Grabe na yan na. Ilan na? Ilan ang saging mo? 3 na? 4?
40 naman.
Sige, lanok.